and welcome to Tea in the Deep Blue Sea with me, Victoria. Thank you very much for joining me. It's a privilege to have you here on my channel. Thank you again for joining me. If you haven't already, please hit like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, my link is down in the description. And as always, if you have any comments, any questions, please let me know down below and I will get back to you all as soon as I see them. I hope you enjoy this video on the day 10 Ocean Zoo update. So I've got one juvenile in there at the moment which hatched before the others, and there are a few babies which you will see in the video jittering about. So I hope you enjoy the video, and without further ado, cheers. That was my day 10 update of my Sea Monkeys Green Ocean Zoo. I hope you enjoyed the relaxing footage. If you're anything like me, it's very therapeutic just watching them. So as you saw, I have one juvenile and quite a few babies just jittering around in the tank. If you've started a sea monkey tank recently, how are yours getting on? If they hatched yet, let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you again for watching my video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye. Cheers.